Ladies, this video is especially for you. Are you a hardworking professional looking for ways to earn extra income without sacrificing the time you spend with your family? You feel guilty that you have to work long hours and miss milestones because you have to provide for them financially? I was till I found a way. Hi, my name is Aziza. Before I continue, I would like you to meet a couple of my business partners in the recently concluded business convention in San Diego and hear what they have to say about this amazing business opportunity and how it has changed their lives. Take a listen and I will see you in the end of the video.
My people, you can see our beautiful faces. We're coming to you live from San Diego, California. No business like the one you're seeing here today. Look at me, I am real. My name is Rhoda. We are amazing people from all walks of life, different professions. We've been doing this for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years and we're still here. This business is a game changer. You want to hear what it has done for people?
Yes, so my people, if you are not here in this business, you are missing out. Check out this business. This business has been transforming many lives. You see all of these people, they are making constant 5 figures every single month. Check out this business. You will not regret it.
Okay, so let me tell you, having your job or working as a professional is not an excuse not to have a side hustle for yourself. You can have your job, you can have your side hustle, and then you can live the life of your dreams. Remember, relying on a single source of income is very dangerous. So we are inviting you, we are all professionals from different parts of the world. We are asking you to come here, to come and taste what it feels like to diversify your income sources. This is a serious plan B for you. Make you join us today.
Everybody give me a yeah! Business guys, come and join us. Come and see professionals. Come and see people doing an amazing legitimate business. Don't be left behind. All you need to do is click on the link that you see anywhere here. Take action, enter your name and your email and register for our free live webinar. And guess what? You can't afford to not do this. As a family nurse practitioner, I'm able to do this on the side. It's all about your mindset. And to think that what I earn from this business is even sometimes comparable and more than my NP salary. See us all. Make noise, guys. You can't afford to miss that.
Hey people, as you've heard from all the people, so you don't have to think a lot about this because it's an opportunity that is changing lives and it can change yours too. If you want more out of life, don't think twice. Just click on that button and go to the next step.
So my people, I work in the bank, I'm a professional. I just want to tell you that if all of us here are doing this, if we can do this, you as well can. Why? Because this is a proven system. You get mentorship, you get training. One of these amazing people here are going to work with you, hold your hand until you see success. What are you waiting for?
What are you waiting for? If you want to make that generational wealth, just go to the webinar. Every Tuesday, Wednesdays, we always have webinar at 5 p.m. Do not miss out. If you miss out, change will never look for you.
Oh yes, we have lots of working parents and they're working full-time and they are able to still run this business. There are lots of six-figure earners here and you want to be part of it. As a working parent, that time, that stress that goes on in your workplaces, this is a place to get your money and for you to feel relieved.
So guys, all you need to do is be willing, be coachable, and be hungry. And we're here to coach and mentor you and we'll see you on the inside.
Now you have it. You have heard directly from the business partners in my business community and how this business has helped them and their families. Now, what you have to do if you are hungry for a change and you would like to know what this amazing business is about and how it can change your life too, just click the link around this video and sign up with your name and email. I will send you a 20-minute webinar that I watched a couple of years ago that changed everything for me. And you know the best part of it? I will be your personal mentor and you will be assigned a personal coach as well. And you will be added to our global business community of almost 250,000 people. Sign up with your name and your email and I will see you on the inside.